Clarence in the ring, followed
Clarence
by
and
two.
Joe, TNT, standard run, Friday, February 10th, and the Happy Boys are going. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Happy, happy. Stay connected. Good job. Come on, Bob. Joe. Been cheering Bob on for all his runs this day. There we go. There we go. Get him on that table. Get him there. Because tables aren't his favorite. We know that. Sitting still, not his thing. So I don't know if she called something there when she waved her hand or what. I wasn't really looking. Come on, Claire. Stay with Joe. Don't do the tunnel. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, man. Clarence, 54-32.